Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Whirlpool Vitamagic refrigerator. This cooling machine is one of the pioneers in this segment. It not only offers you very distinct and handy features, but also has a contemporary design to fit into and enhance the aesthetics of its surroundings. Now let us quickly go through some of its features in detail one by one. Vitamagic technology with patent zeolite technology in this fridge prevents over-ripening of fruits and vegetables and ensures up to 40% longer vitamin preservation. Vitamagic technology not only preserves nutrients but also maintains an ideal condition for vegetables to stay garden fresh for up to 7 days. Moving on, the unique crisper with the advanced moisture control knob and inbuilt freshonizer helps maintain optimum moisture levels. It has one of the largest crisper capacities to ensure enough storage for fresh and healthy fruits and vegetables. Let's check it out. Another handy feature is the all-new Magic Chiller with easy slide action that chills your bottles quickly. With the all-new Magic Chiller and laminar airflow, this refrigerator ensures 12 hours of milk preservation even during power cuts, thus ensuring your milk doesn't get spoiled. Furthermore, another very unique feature is its microblock technology. Its easy access fruit and vegetable crisper with this technology prevents 99.9% of bacterial growth and keeps you and your family healthy. The advanced insulated capillary technology and laminar airflow in Whirlpool refrigerators make it #1 in ice making, so that you're never short of ice. Isn't that literally a super cool feature? Not only does this Whirlpool refrigerator enhance your lifestyle with its futuristic features, it also understands how important it is to ensure your peace of mind. What I mean is that Whirlpool offers a 1-year brand warranty on the product and a 10-year warranty on the compressor. So friends, summing it all up, I think your painful search for a perfect refrigerator should end with the Whirlpool Vitamagic. With its brand warranty and innovative features, you don't have to look around anymore. So just go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. Thanks for watching and have a perfect buy.